My people, First Lady of Nigeria, Madam Aisha Buhari, her matter don't come. They say she don't escape, she don't go Dubai as I talk to her like this, because according to Ram, she say Aso Rock no dey safe again for her family. And as I talk to her this matter, she don't dey. I remember say her daughter do wedding. They say now since that time, she just dey, as in, she no even dey plan to even return. Now that one even be the worst thing. And by her own words, she say Aso Rock, Aso Villa, say e dey endanger her family. My people, which other proof una need again? Which other proof? See, this woman just dey, she don't dey signal una since. She dey give una hint, but una no dey understand am. E dey very clear. See, the man in question no be her husband. See, this aboki wey they bring now, he never even see fine woman before. For in life sef, he no dream say he go become president. Now he don dey use that one dey touch the woman. I dey imagine for night, he go just dey touch am, dey use this opportunity wetin he never see for im life. Maybe na person wey on a normal day suppose dey in village dey cultivate yam. They don't bring am come Aso Rock with this fine, fresh, full body woman. Just dey touch. This person na headman o. All those headsmen wey dey take care of animal. Now wetin they go bring? Imagine the level from headsmen wey dey take care of cow. They come bring am come Aso Rock. No, wetin una expect? In duty na normal cow, dey lead cow, dey take care of cow, dey feed them. Una no see am for that video. Imagine say they tell her say people die, people they kidnap people. The only thing wey dey in mind na in cows, oh, my cows. So wetin una expect? And this kind person now, see, I dey pity this woman. Imagine in the night, oh, this man even, because sometimes she no go dey in the mood, sometimes, you understand, and she no fit say no. So this man go fit even dey rape am, dey abuse am sexually, but she no fit talk. Hey, they born you well. all the people wey dey for the cabal, they go just kill am, because if she talk, then be say she don expose everything. My people, e no dey easy. So now all these things contribute to she fly, because she no fit take am again. So e better make she dey there. See, my people, e dey very easy. This thing na confirmation say Buhari e don go long time. E dey very easy. I don't know which English una wan make I even talk again, because the woman already know say this person na stranger. She know. E no easy o, women. Oh God. Now wow, my first lady, abeg anywhere where you dey, just make sure say you remain there, because if you come back, na another war for you. This one, they go dey give you dinner, afternoon and breakfast all together. You don't take, sef. She don't too take. You imagine person dey climb you, person wey you know even, I no fit. I bet she try. My people, na the matter. First lady don't escalate. She don't vanish. Now Nigerians, una dey without first lady. Now be say now automatically Nigeria no even get any leader, because Buhari no dey. That person they know be Buhari. Now first lady too can't disappear. So who can they rule Nigeria now? Drop out for the comment section. Make I know wetin they think. You understand? Duncan Mighty, Port Harcourt first son, wey name Mighty, na name be that. And una know I'm a musician. I don't think so, because I don't remember the last time we even hear a song. Yes, he don't come outside, come talk say in wife cheat on am. Say the DNA test where they, because they get one daughter. Say the DNA test come talk say he no be the father. My people, they say they oh. And before the DNA, something happened. Hey, he called the wife. His wife name na Vivian. He called the wife people. Say they get meeting, because he don't see say they plan to kill her. They plan to destroy his life and take all his property. He can call them. And 11 months after, my people, now they give birth to this beautiful baby girl. Oh. And the wife and two of the wife friend, they say now they be best friend. One name na Frank, one name na Bright. They say now two of them come carry, they use 1 million naira. 1 million naira they use and do shrine. This shrine are for waiting. I go tell una. They say the main purpose of the shrine na make they remove Don Kamaiti powers. Yes, and that shrine, anything wey they do, nobody go know, especially if people dey search spiritually. You know, when people wan find out, say okay, wetin dey happen, they say no be their face una go dey see, say they go dey see another person face. My people, no be small matter o. Make I shock una now. As they do the shrine finish, they come start the juju. Instead of make the juju dey work for wetin they plan for, una no even know. They suppose dey sleep with the wife. These two boys wey I mentioned, Bright and Frank, they suppose dey sleep with Don Kamaiti wife so that the juju go work. Na the agreement be that. As they dey sleep with the woman, instead of make the juju dey work, the woman come carry belle. Hey, wahala dey o. She come carry belle now. After how many? After many months wey time don go, na now Don Kamaiti dey come find out say the sperm wey enter im wife no be im sperm. See heartbreak. Omo, when they tell una say pray before una find wife, una no dey hear. Una don see am. Na the repercussion be this. You know, see celebrities, they like celebrity. Before you go see celebrity wey find wife, correct wife, e dey hard. No, I no dey insult anybody. I just dey talk because every night and day na club. No, how you dey think of to get better wife when you dey go club every day? Una don see am na. No, una go dey insult pastors when they dey talk. Now una don see am. Hey, abeg, see, all of una wey una remember say this girl post for internet say Don Kamaiti dey kill me o, Don Kamaiti dey beat me o, na woman beater. All of una attack Don Kamaiti, okay? Now I wan make una come do the same thing. Imagine the sufferness wey you don train person pikin wey you think say na your pikin for how many months? You know how much be baby food? You know how much be pampers? Now he just can't discover. No, some women wicked. No, some women just wicked. Because before I dey wonder say when this matter reach me, I say how Don Kamaiti be important? Abi no, my people, na question I just dey ask. Because for this woman to go and get Don Kamaiti look strong na. He look like person wey go dey fire. You understand? So now two people come put seed for person wife belle. The seed don germinate, and now I no even know who can't get the pregnancy now. Be like say from the waist downwards go be for Frank, then from the waist upward go be for Bright. I be my people, because now two of them pour am na. Now they say Don Kamaiti just be sponsor. He just dey take care of the pikin. They don't help am fire him. No, but this thing sabi pain o. I just dey imagine the kind thing wey the. But some people now they talk say because you know they do music again, so you don't bring this matter online so that I go give her money. No, I don't know how una dey think sometimes. This one a serious matter o. Because now, okay, I dey imagine the girl and the family. That shrine, see, Don Kamaiti, I no say they hear me. You see that shrine where they spend 1 million to go do. If I be you, I go. In fact, if not to sell part by part, collect that money, at least na the compensation wey you go get. You know wetin be 1 million? You use 1 million naira do shrine. Who you be? Now wow, my people. Now the matter wey dey Port Harcourt o, and the thing dey very very hot. I dey tell una Don Kamaiti dey inside very serious hot soup.